Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel .NET Real World Example. Okay, and in this session, this is another session of that Python series. Okay, so in last session we'll cover actually the control structure, but here we'll cover the data structure in the Python. So what are the feature of the data structure? How we can handle the data structure in Python? Okay, these are for the important features using the concept of the data structure in Python, that is list, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. Okay, and also we'll include those features. I'll create a real world example. Okay, so that's also we'll do in this session. So keep tuning. Okay, so let's get started. For first, understand like list. How can create a list in this Python? Okay, so it's very simple. Like for example, I'll just create a variable and just store a value for fruits. For example, as a list, for example, apple and like banana. Okay, and then another one, whatever. Like so, this is the one way. Okay, so this is the one way. Okay, the another way also just that you can just pass whatever I just pass is a string, right? So you can pass it as a decimal, you can pass the integer. Okay, so you just create a list of like that. Okay, inside the curly bracket you can pass the data using the comma. Okay, and also in this list we can add, update, delete as well. Like for example, like we can add it one more data. For example, new fruit. Okay, and then similar I can remove as well. Like if I want to remove, so let me remove uh, this one. You can just take it like that, and then also there's options, like see there's a many options, right? So you can just remove as well, like whatever if you want to remove, so you can remove directly as well. Like for example, I want to remove this guy. Okay, so like that. Okay, let me run this application and see how's look like. Okay, so call our data structure. Okay, see, okay, it is not properly saved, so make sure like whatever you just writing your code, it is properly saved. So let me save. Okay, let me save, not save all. Let me save and run this application. Okay, sorry, actually I didn't print anything, so that's why it's not printing. So let me print, and then finally just name it to fruits, and then pass it to your object. Okay, so whatever list, just pass it over here so that I can make sure like it should be create first three, then add one more, and then remove this banana. Okay, so let me call it. See, that list has got, that list is added, this one and this one, and this one has removed. Okay, so this is for the structure of list. Okay, then move it to tuples. Okay, how we can create a tuples? So let me create a variable and like that, parenthesis like 3 4, and you can n number of parameter you can pass it over here. Okay, and then you can just split as well, like this way. You can split, like for example I want to split of uh that tuples. Okay, like this way, and then finally just print. Okay, and for print I like that tuple and x y, and then you can just specify where is your x and where is your y. Okay, like that. It is very simple. Okay, let me run and see. Okay, let me comment this go list one so that I can see the only output for this tuples. Okay, okay, I just wrongly hitting this one. Okay, so let control C. Okay, and let me call data structure. Okay, I just call another one. Okay, see now whatever I store 3 and 4, I have to I get that. Okay, so if you want add one more, like one more property, like for example 5 8 or something 9. Okay, so you can just split as well here. You can just like XY Z A. Okay, whatever, like for example here like Z A. Okay, and here as well you can mention like for the demonstration perspective, for the output perspective. Okay, let me save it, let me call it. See, whatever data you and number you just edit, you can just extract and you can get it. Okay, this is a beauty of this tuple. And then finally dictionary. Okay, so how we can use the dictionary like that. So create a uh, person person variables, and here you can just mention like that. Now curly bracket, and you can mention your data like name and the key value pair. You have to just make sure you have to just create a key value. Okay, so name like that, like Karthik. Okay, and then comma, like another key is age, and the age considered is like 25, and then also so on, so right. So you can just mention like the dictionary. Okay, and now what I can do, I can just print, like I can just get what based on the key I want to retrieve the data. Like how can do that, like same print. Okay, I want to print the name. So for example person, get the name by this name, right? See, also it's showing the name. Then same things I can do this for age. Okay, so you can just pass it to age, so that I can get the name and age. Okay, and let me okay, let me comment first the tuple example. Okay, so there is no confusion, so that and clear everything. Just clear this terminal and then call it your data structure. Now see, I get this name, I get the age. Okay, so it is very simple. You can just create a dictionary like key value pair. Okay, and then finally you can get this name. Okay, and now finally it sets. So what is sets actually just store the value and also keep it the unique value. Okay, so let me unique, put the variable name is a unique number, and then if you pass like 1 1 5, or just 1 2 3 5 6, then again 1 2 3. Okay, so there is a some duplicate value, right? So what will we do, that set, actually set will identify what is the unique value. They keep it till they will keep it, and then after that they will remove it. Okay, so what you can do, you can just unique number dot add 6. Okay, just put the 6 and then print this value, and let's see the output. Then you can understand how it's working is this. Okay, unique unique number. Okay, and then print it to unique number. Okay, and comment that dictionary example. Okay, and let me run. Now see, I just added 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3, right? So I also added, I can just add directly over here, right? So once I add and then once I print, okay, so see, it is only unique value. Okay, so that is beauty of that sets function. Like whatever value you've just added, it will give us to only unique value, right? So these are all that uh, structure, data structure of Python. Okay, so let me create a real world example now. Okay, so what I will create. Okay, so let me show you first scenario. Okay, so I'll just create one inventory management system for a small store. Okay, and here actually the system will be track of the product, their price and the categories. Okay, so all these uh, structure I will use this the management system and I will create it. Okay, so let's get start that also. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just create a product first. Okay, let me create a products price and you know like that. Okay, so I just create a product. Okay, so this there is a three four products and their prices as well and there's quantity as well. Okay, so I just create a list. Okay, and then what I will do, I'll just create a categories. Okay, using that uh, the tuples. Okay, so see, the I create a categories using the tuples. Whatever I categories I just add it, so that whatever more categories I will add it, but that will show you only unique values. Okay, so this is another example. And then finally what I will do, I'll just create uh, I'll just create fetch the data and store as a inventory system. Okay, so let me create first. Okay, so see, the dictionary store product information with the key. Okay, so I just create a blank inventory dictionary. Okay, and I will add it all the data whatever. See, this is three list, right? So I will add it all the product based on the product, what is the prices and what is this their quantities, like so that I will add it in here in the inventory uh, dictionary. Okay, so it is very simple. I'll use the for loops. Okay, I already explained how we working is the for loops in previous session, so you can check out over there. Okay, so say I use the for loop and using the index. Okay, and store the product. Okay, what are the products. Okay, and then what I will do, I just create information. Okay, item information, and it is contained in a product quantity and categories. And once I create that, I just store in this dictionary based on this product id. Okay, and like that, it is very simple. Okay, and then finally what I will do, I will just create set this uh, the unique categories. Okay, so this is our categories, whatever our categories. See, these are the categories I using the tuples, and then finally I use the set, so that whatever categories we created, that will keep it as a unique, right? So we keep is the set and then use it as the unique categories. Okay, and then finally I will uh, I will display the inventory starting of this as like our application will show. Okay, this is inventory system, like print. Okay, this is simple print, and then I will show that list of products. Okay, so like that. Let me keep it here. Okay, so see, I just use the for loop again and use that inventory items. So where is I get the inventory, so this is our dictionary inventory. So the dictionary inventory will iterate in a product and informations. Okay, because it is contain the key value pair, so there's a many key like key informations. Okay, so that products. Okay, and then information, also information contain the price and the information contain the quantity. Okay, so see, so what are the product based on this information and quantity, I just get it based on this their key. Okay, and uh, show is as a list. Okay, for example. And then finally also I just print it to categories list. Okay, so parallelly both are I will print, so unique categories also I will print it over here. Okay, and that is done. Let me run this application. Okay, now see, this is inventory system. Okay, and then product list, and then product list like the apple, banana, milk, and based on this all the you know categories and available, also I just add it over here. And then banana, milk, everything, and then finally unique categories also just printed. Okay, so this is a real world example. Actually you can use your data structure in python, so that's why I showing you. So this is another one, don't worry, I'll just add this code to in our github, so you can get from this from my video description. So for this data structure in Python, that is enough for this session. And thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.